bought a 50K funded account, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to be able to pass this. Price has not tapped me in. I have a limit order right here. Price ended up tapping me in. I want to see buys to this internal high, 1.3 for the day. That's exactly how you do it, man. Just have to stay patient, wait for your setup. I seen multiple setups that I wanted to take, but I was disciplined enough to wait for that one good setup that I seen and I was able to take. What's up with y'all boys, man? Welcome back to another video. It's 8:46 a.m. right now, the day after Christmas. I really hope y'all boys enjoyed your holidays. I hope y'all was able to be around with your loved ones and families. I want to say thank you for the support on the last video. I didn't think that was going to get that much views, but I just want to say thank you for showing love and support. But yeah, I'm not trading live today. I bought a 50K funded account, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to be able to pass this account. I got my coffee right here, and I'm about to read this book until market opens. I'm gonna let y'all know if it's good or not, but yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all boys and I'm gonna show y'all what I do with my day. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at right now. So 9:30 opened, we had a huge manipulation towards the upside. We put an SMT here and we retraced into this 1 hour for value gap. So all my confluences for the high time frame narrative has been met. So now what I need right now is for price to either form a 3-minute or a 5-minute for value gap. Like right here, if price forms this gap and retraces into it, I'm going to be targeting this London lows and these relatively equal lows. But yeah, I do like shorts right now. It's probably going to play out. Probably going to leave without tapping into this gap. But we're going to see. I'm going to let y'all boys know. So my trade ended up playing out, but it left without me. You see, let me tell y'all something. You see how I was, because at first I was long, right? But then, feel me, if market would have opened up, swept sell side, and then formed a lower time frame model, I would have been in the buys. But since market opened up, straight went to the upside, we put a manipulation right here and tapping into this H1 for value gap. Now this telling me that, okay, we want to manipulate and go towards the downside. Now another example is this accumulation right here. So what price does, price accumulates, price manipulates, and price distributes. So you can see this accumulation, and then we have that manipulation, and then we put an SMT into this fair value gap, and then we distribute it towards the downside. Another example of that happening would be right here. Price accumulated and then manipulated and then formed a lower time frame model to then distribute. See, that's really understanding what price is doing. Really understanding how to read price is a huge help into learning how to trade. So I'm probably not going to take another trade. If I see my setup form, I still think we could go a little bit more lower, but since we swept sell side, I'm not too sure now. But so this is what I want to see now. Price came, and like I told you in the last clip, price came and swept sell side into this 4 hour for value gap. Now I want to take price to internal buys. Price has not tapped me in. I have a limit order right here in this 3-minute gap. Price might not tap me. If it hits my target with that tap of me, is going to be a no trading day for me. I'm also in this with the combine account, but I like this setup so much that I wanted to get in with my live account, but it might not tap me in. I'm gonna keep y'all updated if it do. Price ended up tapping me in. I want to see buys to this internal high right here. I'm also in this with my topstep combine. I'm in the mini. I'm risking 600 to make 1.3. We're gonna see what price does. I'm gonna keep you updated if this trade plays out. Yeah, so the trade is still playing out. I'm about to get my hair done. My hair looks crazy right now. But yeah, I'm gonna keep you updated on our trade. I'm gonna let y'all know if I win or lose. If I do lose, it's a good loss because I stayed patient. I followed my rules. I did everything I was supposed to do. So it won't really affect me as much as if I was to disobey my rules and lose. But anyway, I'm gonna get my hair done. Y'all gonna see the next clip how my shit look. My shit look crazy right now, so I can't even show y'all. Ended up hitting TP, as you can see. Yeah, I couldn't really catch this because I was doing my hair, but look at the combine. 1.3 for the day. That's exactly how you do it, man. Just gotta stay patient, wait for your setup. Let's go with y'all boys. So I just want to talk about how I'm going to be able to pass this funded account. I just want to talk about the mindset that you need to be able to get funded. So as you can see, the trade that I took earlier today, it was a winning trade. I made 1.3K. The profit target is 3K. So I risked $600 to make 1.3K. Me personally, the way I'm thinking about this, I'm emotionally detached to the idea of being funded. That's what you need. That's the step one. You have to be emotionally detached to the idea of being funded. And number two is you have to have a set risk that's not too little, because you don't want to take too long with this prop firm, with this challenge. You don't want to take too long. So you want to risk decent amount to make a decent amount that leads you to not spend too much time on this account. And you need risk management, right? And you need discipline. You see the trade that I took today, I took the trade at 10 something. I seen multiple setups that I wanted to take, but I was disciplined enough to wait for that one good setup that I seen and I was able to take. So yeah, that's the way I'm going to end up passing this funded account. You need to be mentally detached from the idea of being funded. You know what I mean? You need to have great, proper risk management. You need to have set rules for yourself. If I would have lost that trade today, that would have been my only trade today, because I'm risking such a high amount to the point that I'm limiting my trades while being very selective on the trades that I take. That's the only way you're going to be profitable. You have to be selective with the trades that you take. You have to be very selective. You don't want to just rush into any trades. You don't want to overtrade. You don't want to get FOMO. You want to wait till you see your setup and you take it. If you lose and you followed all your rules, that's a good loss. If you lose and you disobeyed yourself, if you lose and you disobeyed yourself and you broke all your rules, that's a bad loss. Now, if you win the trade while following all your rules, then that's a great win. If you win disobeying all your rules, that's a bad win. That's not your money. The market is just gonna end up taking that profit back. So the way that you can keep your profits and the way that you can be able to pass this funded challenge account is to be very disciplined. Be emotionally detached from the idea of being funded. Yeah, man. So I'm going to document my journey trying to pass this account. This is going to be my second funded account. Yeah, I'm just going to show you that it's very possible to get funded. Definitely, as a new trader, this is the type of content that I would have want somebody to put out for me. That's what I'm trying to put out for y'all. And so I'm going to show y'all that it's very possible to be funded, because at some point in my career, when I was failing the challenges, I thought to myself, bro, I can never do this, bro, because I was self-sabotaging myself so much to the point that I almost made myself believe that I can never be funded. But when I did get funded, I seen that, okay, this is very, very possible. And the only way it was possible was for me to stop over trading and over leveraging and get the idea of being funded out of my head. Because we all want to be funded. We all want to make money, right? The main reason why people lose when it comes to trading is that they're so fixated on making money. You have to get that making money mentality detached from your head when it comes to trading. When I stopped worrying about the outcome, when I stopped worrying about making money, that's when I started making money. You have to be a process-based trader. You have to focus on the process. Once you focus on the process, then the money will inevitably come. So I'm at the job right now. I'm about to show you what I do at the job. I'm gonna try to sneak in a little footage, because they be don't think about the phones and shit. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how I don't do nothing at this job, bro. I be getting paid for free, literally. But now, yeah, I'm gonna show you how a day in my life of working and trading at the same time. I made money trading, and I'm about to make money here. It's 9:21. I just got off of work. I just got some food, got some Chipotle. That's gonna be it for this video, man. I hope y'all boys really enjoyed this video. I just want to thank y'all again for the love and support y'all showed in the last video. I'm just gonna keep dropping these videos, man. I hope y'all really fuck with them for real. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one.